Top 10 Universities in the World in 2023. Welcome to our video on the top 10 universities in the world. Education plays a crucial role in shaping our future, and these institutions have consistently excelled in providing the highest standards of learning and innovation. Join us as we unravel the stories of these exceptional institutions, their remarkable contributions, and the reasons they stand out among thousands of universities across the globe. So let's get started. Number 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. MIT consistently secures its place among the top universities globally. This prestigious institution is celebrated for its groundbreaking research, technological advancements, and a strong emphasis on practical application. With renowned programs in engineering, computer science, and economics, MIT continues to push boundaries and produce trailblazers who shape the world. Number 2. University of Cambridge. As one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world, the University of Cambridge in the United Kingdom has maintained its reputation for academic excellence since its establishment in 1209. With its historic charm and scholarly traditions, Cambridge attracts students from all corners of the globe. The university's emphasis on critical thinking, research, and intellectual exploration has produced numerous Nobel laureates and influential thinkers. Number 3. Stanford University. Situated in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford University boasts a thriving ecosystem that blends academia and innovation seamlessly. Recognized for its pioneering programs in technology, engineering, and entrepreneurship, Stanford attracts brilliant minds from around the globe. With state-of-the-art facilities and a collaborative atmosphere, the university remains a driving force in shaping the future of science and technology. Number 4. University of Oxford. Another revered British institution, the University of Oxford, has nurtured some of the brightest minds in history. Founded in the 12th century, Oxford offers a diverse range of disciplines and maintains an exceptional standard of teaching and research. With its unique tutorial system and rich academic heritage, the university continues to be a symbol of intellectual prowess. Number 5. Harvard University. Located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Harvard University has long been synonymous with academic prestige. Renowned for its rigorous curriculum, world-class faculty, and unparalleled resources, Harvard maintains its position at the forefront of higher education. With a strong emphasis on interdisciplinary studies and groundbreaking research, Harvard continues to produce influential leaders across various fields. Number 6. California Institute of Technology, Caltech. Renowned for its scientific and technological breakthroughs, Caltech in Pasadena, California, remains a trailblazer in the field of STEM education. With a focus on research and innovation, Caltech attracts top-notch faculty and aspiring scientists from around the world. The institute's commitment to pushing boundaries and exploring the frontiers of science ensures its prominent position in global academia. Number 7. Imperial College London. Renowned for its expertise in science, engineering, medicine, and business, joins the prestigious lineup of the top universities in the world. Located in the heart of London, Imperial College has a long-standing reputation for academic excellence and cutting-edge research. Its commitment to innovation, interdisciplinary collaboration, and real-world impact has propelled it to the forefront of global academia. With a diverse and talented student body, distinguished faculty, and state-of-the-art facilities, Imperial College London continues to contribute significantly to advancements in various fields. Number 8. University College London, UCL. As one of the leading universities in the United Kingdom, UCL combines a rich history with a forward-looking approach to education. Known for its multidisciplinary programs, UCL fosters collaboration across various fields, producing graduates who excel in academia and industry. The university's global perspective and emphasis on innovation have contributed to its consistent presence among the world's top universities. Number 9. ETH Zurich, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. Regarded as one of the world's leading technical universities, ETH Zurich in Switzerland consistently ranks high in global university rankings. With its focus on engineering, science, and technology, ETH Zurich produces graduates who are at the forefront of innovation and research. The institution's close ties with industry and its commitment to sustainability contribute to its international reputation. Number 10. University of Chicago. Situated in the vibrant city of Chicago, the University of Chicago is renowned for its rigorous academic programs and intellectual rigor. With a strong emphasis on critical thinking and interdisciplinary studies, the university prepares students to tackle complex global challenges. Its renowned faculty and research-driven approach continue to make a significant impact across various disciplines. These universities are pioneers in their respective fields, and attending any one of them offers unparalleled opportunities for learning, growth, and discovery. Whether it's in the sciences, humanities, or any other area of study, these top 10 universities have consistently demonstrated their commitment to excellence, producing the world's future leaders and innovators. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 universities in the world. Remember, education is the key to unlocking our potential and shaping a better tomorrow.